In this video we are going to talk about equivalent ratios. Now let's look at this example. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 5 to 6. There are 15 boys. Find the number of girls. First of all, remember that the order is important in a ratio. It says boys to girls and gives us 5 to 6. So basically, boys to girls, I can use the comma to write down the ratio, is 5 to 6. So if there would be 5 boys in this class, there should be 6 girls too. But it is not the case. We have 15 boys and we want to find the number of girls. So we have to think about how we end up with 15 starting with 5. So basically, from 5 to 15 we multiply by 3, right? 5 times 3 is 15. So the same should apply to girls. So it is 6 times 3, which is 18. So there are 18 girls in this class. If you want, you can show this as in fractions. So basically, you can write down the ratio as a fraction, and then you can write down the number of boys, and well, we don't know the number of girls, right? Here, what we do is exactly the same. How do we end up with 15? Well, you multiply 5 by 3. So the same should apply to 6. So we should multiply 6 by 3. And again, we should end up with 18 here. Now, just because we can show ratios as fractions, we can have such equations. And we should be able to work on such equations. So the examples and the exercises will be of this sort. Another example. Find the missing number. So here it's 3 over 5 equals 18 over a number. We have to find that. This is the missing number. So basically it's going to be 3 times 6, which gives me 18. So it must be 5 times 6, which would be 30. So that's how it works. Another example. Here it's going to be 9 times 3, which is 27. So it must be 4 times 3, which is 12. So basically what we are doing is we are finding the equivalent fractions to the given ratio, right? 4 over 9 is the same as 12 over 27. Another example. In this one you can also consider division. How do you end up with 12? Well, you have to divide by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So you should go say that 14 divided by 2 will be 7. Or, in this one, let's see one last example. If I have, say, something like that, then again I'll go back saying that this is division by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10, so I have to divide 44 by 4, ending up with 11. So this is how you find the missing number in an equivalent fraction equation, right? And this helps a lot while solving problems regarding ratios. Now is your turn. Solve these questions on your book. Submit your answers in the online self-check. Thank you.